Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Precious Ugweze. In this video we'll look at scalar multiplication of vectors. And what is it all about? This is just using a scalar to multiply vectors. So for instance, if I have x and y as vectors, or let's say just x as a vector, and I take any scalar, say k. Okay, so k can multiply x to give me kx. And what does that mean? If x has elements, say x1, x2, and x3, for instance, so scalar multiplication says that the k is going to come into this bracket to multiply every single every single component. And so you are going to have kx1, kx2, and kx3. Okay, so that's all about scalar multiplication. So it's just like multiplication of scalar multiplication of matrices. So it gets into the bracket and multiplies every component of the vector. And so we have few examples here to look at. Example 1 says if vector A is this, B is this, and C is this, that we should find the value of this. Okay, so we are going to do together I and then the third one. The second one is going to be an assignment, an exercise for you. Always try to comment your solution in the comment section below. And then after that, we are going to look at example 2 also. Okay, so we begin solution. Okay, so A says that that we should find the value of 4a minus 2b plus 3c, and we are given the value for our a, b, and c. So we are just going to substitute into this place, and if we substitute, we are going to have 4 into our a. Now is, remember that we can write this as a column or a row vector, anyone we choose. If we write it as a row vectors, we are going to have 1, 3, 1 for a and all of that. But since they are giving us column, let's use column vectors. And so this is going to be 1, 3 minus 1, then minus 2 into the vector b is 2, 3, negative 4, then we close here, plus 3c. Our c is 1, negative 1, and positive 1. Okay, so we try to open up the bracket to do the multiplication, and that's going to give us 4, 12 minus 4. Then this is going to be minus, and someone can choose to take this minus into the bracket and leave positive sign here, but maybe we can leave it this way. This will give us 4, and this is 6, negative 8. Okay, and then plus the 3 coming in here will give us 3 minus 3, 3. And so in addition, we are now going to have just do the operation on each corresponding component. So here we are going to have 4 minus 4 is 0, plus 3, we'll just have 3 here. 12 minus 6 is 6, then plus minus 3 will give us 3 also. Then minus 4 minus 8. Minus 8 is plus 8. Then minus 4 plus 8 is 4 plus 3, and that will give us 7. And that is the required solution for problem A. And so quickly we go to C. I said we are going to do A and C. Okay, so for C, we are asked to find A plus 5B minus 4C. Just the same approach. So our A here doesn't have any scalar multiplier. I'll say so we just return what we have, which is 1 3 minus 1, and then plus 5 into our b, which is 2 3 minus 4, and then minus 4 into our c, which is 1 minus 1 1. And this is quickly going to give us, we'll have the same thing here, and then here we are going to have 10 15 minus 20, and then minus, here we will have 4 minus 4, and here we're going to minus 4, and then we're going to have 4 here. Remember, I'm only multiplying with 4. I am leaving the negative sign outside, and then that's going to give us, finally, our solution will be 1 plus 10 is 11, minus 4 is 7, 3 plus 15 is 18, minus 4 will give us 22. Then minus 1 plus minus 20 is minus 21. Then minus 4 is minus 25. And that is the required vector. Okay, so example B is going to be an exercise for you. Okay, quickly we go to example 2. Example 2 says that we are given OC as A minus B, and then we are given OD as 2A plus 3B, and we are asked to find CD. Meanwhile, remember that vector A and B have values, and then all we need to do is to solve for CD, after which we'll now substitute the values of A and B and simplify to get the final answer. So let's quickly do that. What is going to be our CD? Our CD by triangle law of addition of vectors is simply equal to CO plus OD. Okay, remember, you are beginning from C and you will end at D. Okay, and I'm using CO because I have OC. I'm using OD because I have OD here. Okay, so, and I have OC, but what I need here is CO, and CO is just the negative of this, and so that's just going to give me minus A minus B, plus, while my OD is 2A plus 3B, and that's simply going to give us B minus A plus 2A plus 3B. If we bring everything together, we will have A plus 4B. All right. Now, but recall that we are given, but our A is given as 2I plus 3J, and our B is given as 3I minus 2J. Okay, so we are going to take these two into this equation, and when we do that, we are going to have that our CD is simply equal to our A, which is 2I plus 3J, then plus 4 into 3I minus 2J. And here we are going to apply scalar multiplication, which is going to help us produce our final result. And that's going to be 2I plus 3J. This is going to be 12I minus 8J. And that's going to give us this plus this is 14I. And then this minus this is minus 5J. And that is the final solution for our CD as required. Okay, and that is where we are going to end it for this video. Kindly do the exercise and drop your comment in the comment section below. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, we beg you. Comment, like our videos, and share them as well. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.